friends. I was about to look at some reviews on the computer to pick out some toys for Angelina. Come on, take a look. I'll show you.
So, before we check out the toy reviews, let's talk about what a review is. For those of you that have never read a review before, there's many different kinds of reviews. The purpose of a review is to tell people what you like or didn't like about something. You're giving them your opinion. For example, there's reviews for apps. There's reviews for places that you might want to visit. There's reviews for maybe places you want to eat. And there's definitely reviews for toys. If you've ever shopped online with your family, you may have noticed that many websites have reviews for different things. Right now I'm looking for some puzzle cubes. So I noticed that there are different star ratings for each of these puzzle cubes. On this website, their review system is based on a 5-star system. When someone thinks a product isn't very good, they give it 1 star. If they think it's okay, they might give it 2 or 3 stars. And if they think it's a good product, they would give it 4 stars. And when they think it's an excellent product, it would get a 5-star review. Let me see, which puzzle cube am I interested in getting? This one looks like something I might like. It looks like a speed cube, and it looks like the corners will turn really quickly. So I'm going to take a look at this one. I noticed that it has 4.7 out of 5. That's a pretty high score, and it has 2,576 customer reviews. That's a lot. And it looks like most people did give it a 5-star review, and only a few people gave it a 1-star review. So yeah, let's take a look. Wow, this is a really long review, and it's listed here at the top. Let me see. Let me read through the details. So the author talked about how they purchased the item, and they talked about how their family uses it. They then used some facts to talk about how their toy worked, and some other useful tips for people as well. Finally, I can see that they gave their opinion, and they even gave some recommendations of how people could use this cube or give it out to others as presents. This is definitely a very strong review. Reading all this information has definitely influenced me to make me want to buy this cube. Maybe I will buy this toy for Angelina, but first, let me see if I can get her to write a review of her own.